Hello, my dear students of class 3rd. Welcome to English class, and I'm your teacher Divya. Well, children, in the last class we saw a lovely story. What was the story? The story about the lesson. He is my brother. वो मेरा भाई है. And it's a story about a small girl. है ना? एक छोटी सी लड़की के बारे में कहानी है. और कितनी बड़ी है वो? शी इज 12 years old. वो 12 साल की है. एंड द पीपल, ऑल द पीपल, दे आर गोइंग टू अ हिली प्लेस. ओके, एंड इट्स अ होली प्लेस अप द हिल. एक पहाड़ की ऊंची चोटी पर कोई पवित्र स्थान है. इट्स होली प्लेस. मे बी इट्स अ प्रेइंग प्लेस. शायद हो सकता है वो प्रार्थना करने की कोई जगह हो. सो द पीपल वर गोइंग एंड दिस गर्ल वाज आल्सो वॉकिंग अलोंग विद देम. ये लड़की भी एक छोटे से लड़के को अपने बैक में, पीठ में लाद कर वो भी क्लाइंब कर रही थी, वो चढ़ रही थी. एंड देन वन मैन, एंड हाउ ओल्ड वाज द बॉय? द बॉय इन द बैक, जो बच्चा, जो लड़का है जो उसके पीठ में था, वो 4 साल का था. ओके, ही वाज 4 years old. एंड व्हेन एवरीबॉडी वाज क्लाइंबिंग, देन वन मैन, he's telling, he's looking at that girl. And what is the name of the girl? Meena. उस लड़की का नाम था मीना. Okay. And this man is asking, oh, I'm so sorry. Why are you carrying this boy on your back? आप इस लड़के को अपने पीठ में ढो करके क्यों चल रहे हो? ठीक है? Don't you feel the load? क्या आपको भारी नहीं लगता? This man is telling Meena. And Meena, she looks at him wonder, no, with wonder. एकदम आश्चर्य से वो उस आदमी को ऐसे देखती है, you know. Then what she's telling? Lord, बोझा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Of course not. He is my brother. वो मेरा भाई है. And then we discussed about what must be the reason? क्या रीजन हो सकता है कि उसने अपने भाई को पीठ में रखा है? Why the boy is not walking? Maybe हो सकता है शायद उसे चलने में कोई परेशानी हो रही होगी. The boy maybe had some problem. Or maybe, और ये ऐसा हो सकता है कि मीना ने सोचा होगा, oh he is so small, how will he climb? है ना? मीना ने सोचा होगा वो तो बहुत छोटा है, वो कैसे इतनी ऊंची चोटी पर, इतने पहाड़ की चोटी पर कैसे चढ़ेगा? राइट चिल्ड्रन? ओके. Then we saw some sign language also. हमने कुछ sign language भी देखे थे. Remember children? How do you say sing? जो लोग बोल नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, there is language, sign language for them, है ना? वो क्या करते हैं? इशारों से, हाथ से हम ABCD लिख करके इशारों से उन्हें समझाते हैं. We make them understand. There is a language for them. Okay. So if suppose a person comes, अगर समझ लीजिए आपके सामने कोई आया है जो बोल नहीं सकता, जो सुन नहीं सकता, so for that we have to learn little language also, है ना? हमें भी थोड़ी सी सीख लेनी चाहिए ताकि जब उनके पास जाए तो we also can talk to them in sign language, है ना? ताकि हम भी उनके साथ बात कर सके और उन्हें भी अच्छा लगे. Right? Okay, so sing. What is the sign of sing? Right? What about dance? Dance को कैसे करते हैं? Or you can show like this. Dance. And then read, write, and then sunset, sunrise, sunrise, sunset, sunset, and win, lose. Okay, here's some of the signs. And children, what is this? Good morning. Yes. So these are some signs. Remember this, whenever if you get the chance, you can talk to those people, you know, and you can make them feel like one of you also, है ना? और आप जब उनसे बातें करें तो उन्हें भी अच्छा लगेगा कि ओ ये भी हमारे जैसे बात कर सकते हैं. Right children? Okay. And we saw the exercise part also. Today we are going to see the worksheet part of he is my brother. ठीक है, आज हम worksheet का part देखेंगे. Over to the worksheet, children. There. Now we are going to see a passage. ठीक है, हम आज एक पैसेज देखेंगे एंड देन वी सी द क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. ठीक है, जो छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस होंगे हम उन्हें देखेंगे. हम पैसेज में उनके आंसर ढूंढेंगे. विल ट्राई टू फाइंड द आंसर फ्रॉम द पैसेज इटसेल्फ. ओके, लेट्स रीड. आइए हम पैसेज पढ़ते हैं. ओके, read the passage and answer the following questions. ठीक है, पैसेज को पढ़िए और क्वेश्चंस की आंसर दीजिए. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, his eyes were black, and his face was as fresh as the morning dew. Okay? Now here I am not going to explain. यहाँ मैं आपको हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में भी मैं इसको समझा नहीं रही हूँ. You have to try to understand it. Okay? Come on, let's give a try. ठीक है, let's see what is the first question. What is the name of the girl? मैं आपको हिंदी में भी नहीं बता रही हूँ. Okay, try to understand it. What is the name of the girl? What is your name? Okay, so what is the name of the girl? Shall we read? What is the name of the girl? Her name was Meena. Okay, now let's see. क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है? Tina, Reena, Meena. Okay, so the correct answer is Meena. Okay, let's write down Meena. Meena is the correct answer. Okay, let's put a tick also. ठीक है? Okay, next is question number 2. How old was she? 12, 10, 20. Let's go to the passage. आइए passage में देखते हैं. How old was she? Let's see the passage. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. So, how old was she? She was 12 years old. Let's write down 12. आपको सारे आंसर्स इस पैसेज में ही मिल जाएंगे. You will get all the answers from the passage itself. Okay. Now on to the third question. Write the opposite of the underlined word. ये जो underlined word है उसके opposite विपरीत शब्द आपको लिखना है. She carried a small boy on her back. Now you have to give the opposite of small. Small. Okay, देखते हैं हमें और क्या क्या ऑप्शंस मिले. Let's see. Opposite of small is large, big, tall. What is the opposite of small? Small, big. Okay. Opposite of small is big. So let's write down big. B-I-G. Big. Okay. Next. Change the gender of boy. Change the gender of boy. Boy का gender change करना है. जैसे masculine gender, feminine gender होता है, right children? Cock, hen, dog, bitch, mother, father, brother, sister, right? So now here you have to change the gender of boy. Boy का gender change करना है. क्या हम देखें option? What are the options? Lady, woman, girl. Boy, girl. Yes. This is the other gender of boy. So, the other gender of boy is girl. Girl. Okay. Now, let's see this. Your brother is your relative. Okay. आपका भाई जो है वो आपका रिश्तेदार है, रिलेटिव है. Mention some of the other relatives in your family. आपके परिवार में और भी इस तरह रिश्ते हैं उनको बताइए। द हिंट्स आर गिवन बिलो। आपको यहाँ पे कुछ हिंट्स दिए गए हैं। फैमिली के रिलेशन में कुछ कुछ आते हैं, जैसे कोई ब्रदर है, सिस्टर है। ओके, लेट्स सी। नाउ द फर्स्ट इज, let me make it little smaller. Yes, okay. S-I dash 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 R. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister? Yes. Sister. T-E-R. Sister. Okay. Next, children. C-O dash 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 N. Cousin. चचेरा बोलते हैं, चचेरा भाई, चचेरे ममीरा. Yes, they are called cousin. So let's write down C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin. Okay. Next is N-E dash 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 W. Nephew, जिसे हम भांजा या भगना कहते हैं. Okay. N-E-P-H-E-W. Nephew. Next is this one everybody will know it. सबको पता होगा ये. U-N dash dash E. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. And the last one is A dash dash T. Aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Okay. So they are the different relatives, है ना? Sister, cousin, nephew, uncle, aunt, brother. Who else? Grandfather, grandmother, and there are many relatives. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Okay. Now let's see to the next one. Some words. Okay, it's gone. Let me make it little enlarged, children. Some words which can be used in place of names. There are some words, कुछ words हैं जो नाम के बदले में हम उन्हें यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसे, now I'm going to write this. Watch out, children. Raju is a good boy. Raju is a cricket player. Raju loves ice cream. Then Raju goes to the market on Sundays. On Sundays. Raju buys sweets for Raju's sister. Raju's again sister is 5-year-old. Well, children, read this out. Raju is a good boy. Raju is a cricket player. Raju loves ice cream. Raju goes to the market on Sundays. Raju buys sweets for Raju's sister. Raju's sister is 5 years old. Raju's sister is very naughty. Now see children, so many times Raju, Raju, Raju. As you know children, Raju is a name. And name means it's a noun. Name of a person. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, name of a place and name of things. Okay, so this is the name of a person. Okay, Raju. So every time in spite of writing Raju, हर बार राजू राजू लिखने की जगह पे राजू की जगह में हम कुछ और वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं. We can use some other word in spite of the name. What are those words? चलिए हम पढ़ते हैं. राजू is a good boy. Okay, राजू एक बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. राजू is a cricket player. आप कैसे लिखेंगे राजू? बार बार राजू राजू बोलेंगे. He can you write? Yes, वो लिख सकते हैं ना. Okay. So here we are going to write. Okay, now here you can write down. What can we write? He. हम he लिख सकते हैं ना. He is a cricket player. Then again, he loves ice cream. Here again we can write he. He loves ice cream. He goes to the market again. He goes to the market on Sundays. Okay. Then Raju buys again Raju आ गया. He buys a sweet. Again हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे he. He buys sweets for Raju's sister. For his, uska. Okay. So here we are going to write for his sister. उसके. और उसके राजू के लिए यूज किया गया है. In spite of name Raju, we have written his. His means Raju's. Okay. Okay. Sweets for his sister. Now again Raju's sister. Again we are going to write his sister. Uski sister. Okay. H-I-S. His sister is 5 years old. Now again Raju's sister की जगह में लिखेंगे. उसके बारे में बोला है तो she. बहन है ना तो Raju's sister is very naughty. So you can write down she. Raju's sister, since she is a girl, we are going to write she, S-H-E. Okay, she is very naughty. Okay, so there are many words. Noun की जगह पे हम उन words को use कर सकते हैं. And they are called pronouns. Pronoun. बहुत सारे लोग हैं. They. हम बहुत सारे लोग हैं. We. Our. Us. Okay, so these words can be used. सब जो एक नाम होता है, नाम के लिए नाम की जगह पर जो वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, the words which are used in the place of noun, they are called pronoun. Okay, तो चलिए हम देखते हैं. Let's say this children. Let's say this. Now we have to match. ठीक है, हमें कौन से noun के साथ में कौन सा pronoun यूज करना, which words we can use. Okay, let's read. Son and I. There are two persons. Nikita, one. Mommy and Papa. Anthony, the small frog. Okay. Son and I. Beta or मैं. That means we. We. Okay. Nikita. Nikita, girl. So we are going to write she. Okay, Nikita is coming. She is going to attend the meeting. She will be coming back by 10 o'clock. Okay, okay. So we are going to use she in spite of Nikita. Now let's see. Mommy and Papa. Ma or Papa. Mama and Papa are coming today. They will be going by tomorrow's flight. See, we are going to use they. Okay, Mommy and Papa. They. Anthony, that means the name of a boy. So for boy we can use he. And the small frog. The small frog was leaping. It took took out its long tongue. It. Okay, so we are going to use it. So the words which are used instead of noun की जगह में जो सारे words use किए जाते हैं, they are called pronouns. Okay, all right, children. Let's move on further. Here's the thing. You have to read aloud. Let me make it a little bigger. Hope it's clear. Okay, now let's say aloud. Weep, deep, sweep, peep. Once again. Weep, deep, sweep, peep. Stress, press, less, mess. Once again. Stress, press, less, mess. Wipe, ripe, type, pipe. Wipe, ripe, type, pipe. Okay, now here's a small poem. Let's read and enjoy. What can I do? Okay. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Okay? Shall we say it again? Okay? Two little hands go clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side. Okay? Okay. After this rhyme, let's see this. Here are some words. Okay, some words are here. Write their opposites in the given space. Okay, यहाँ space दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है, उसको उनका opposite लिखना है. कैसे? How you are going to write? By adding. आपको उसमें add करना है, जोड़ना है. What do you have to add? This. Okay, this and I am in and I am in. Okay? Before the verb. You have to add this, in and in. Before, पहले. इन शब्दों के पहले आपको ऐड करना है ये सारे वर्ब्स. Okay? Now let's see. It's already given there. बच्चों ये दिया हुआ है, आपको मिलाकर लिखना है. That's all. Un plus fold. It will become unfold. Unfold. Okay? Fold, unfold. खोल देना, फोल्ड करना, मोड़ना, खोल देना. All right. Dis plus like. Like पसंद करना. Dislike, नापसंद. So we are going to write dislike. D-I-S-L-I-K-E. Dislike. नापसंद करना. Next is I am in plus possible. That is impossible. Possible हो सकता है. Impossible नहीं हो सकता. It cannot be. Okay. So it cannot happen, that means. So let's write down impossible. I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Impossible. Possible, impossible. Like, dislike, fold, unfold. And the last word is in plus active. Inactive. Active means बहुत काम करना और बहुत क्रियाशील रहना. ओके? निष्क्रिय रहना, बिल्कुल नहीं करना. Inactive. So we are going to write inactive. This is the opposite of active. Active, inactive. Possible, impossible, like, dislike, fold, unfold. तो इनके opposites कैसे बने? आपने क्या ऐड किया है? un, dis, dis, I am in and I am in. Okay? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. This is a discussion part, okay? We're going to talk about it. Who was there at Mina's bag? Mina's bag. Who was? at Nina's back. नीना के पीठ पे कौन था? Her little brother. Now we can write down her little brother was at Nina's back. ठीक है, उसका जो भाई था, छोटा भाई था, वो उसके पीछे पर था. Alright, next, how did the boy look like? उसका जो भाई था वो कैसे दिखता था? कैसे दिखता था? Well, his hair was curly. You can write down in the passage it's given. His hair was curly. And what else? His hair was curly and then his eyes were black. His eyes were, कैसी थी उसकी आंखें? काली थी. His eyes were black and उसका चेहरा कैसा था? And his face was, कैसे थे उसका चेहरा? And his face was as fresh as the morning dew. सवेरे के ओस के जैसी उसके चेहरे में ताजगी थी. मॉर्निंग ड्यू यानी कि ओस की बूंदे, ओस के जैसे थी. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट. हाउ डिड द बॉय लुक लाइक? यहाँ लिखा हुआ है राइट ऑल द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड बॉय को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, बॉय के बारे में जो उसकी व्याख्या कर रहा है. दोज वर्ड्स यू हैव टू. तो क्या क्या चीज? व्हाट वर द थिंग्स? हिज हेयर वाज कर्ली, उसके बाल घुंघराले थे. हिज आईज वर ब्लैक, उसकी आंखें काली थी. एंड हिज फेस, और उसका जो चेहरा था was as fresh, वो इतना ताजा था. किसके जैसा था? As the morning dew, सवेरे की ओस जैसा उसका चेहरा एकदम ताजा था. Okay. The next is, how many members do you have in your family? Children, you have to write down. If you have 4 members including you can write down here. I can write down. I have. There are 4 members in my family. You can write down. I'm just writing. You have to write down the number. Okay. There are dash members in my family. Okay, this you have to write down. Write down how many members are there. Count. आपके परिवार में कितने जन हैं? Count कीजिए and write down the number. Okay. The next is, why do you think Meena did not feel the load? आपको क्यों लगता है कि मीना को ऐसा लगा कि वो ये बोझा नहीं है? Meena did not feel the load because she loved her brother so much, right? उसे अपने भाई से बहुत प्यार था, इसलिए तो उसे अपना भाई बोझ नहीं लग रहा था, right? Yes, you can write down. Meena did not feel the load because she loved her little brother. She loved her little brother very much. अपने भाई से उसे बहुत प्यार था. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now you children, look at this part. थोड़ा आपको ध्यान देना होगा. Okay. थोड़ा little bit. Say if it is good or bad to behave like this. अब आपको ये बताना है कि ऐसे करना जो है वो अच्छी बात है या बुरी बात है. It's good or bad. क्या क्या चीजें करना है? Let's read it. पुशिंग अ ब्लाइंड चाइल्ड. ब्लाइंड मीन्स अंधा, जिसकी आंखें नहीं दिख रही है. पुशिंग अ ब्लाइंड चाइल्ड. इज इट गुड or bad? Yes, it is very bad. So let's write down. It's bad. ये बातें अच्छी नहीं है, right? Okay. Making fun of a lame man. जो व्यक्ति पांव से पंगु है, यानी कि जिसकी पांव खराब है या चल नहीं पा रहा, मुश्किल हो रही है या लंगड़ कर चल रहा है, उसका मजाक उड़ाना. To make fun. Hey, see how he is walking. Is it good or bad? It is very bad. We should never do this. It's very bad. Next. Helping a blind child to get into the school bus. कोई blind child है जिसकी आंखें नहीं दिखती है, उसको help करना बस में चलने के लिए. Is it good or bad, children? It is very good. It is a wonderful job, है ना? बहुत अच्छी बात है जो बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं. They are wonderful children. Yes, so it is very good act. So let's write down. It is good. And spending time with someone who cannot speak. Spending time यानी कि अब समय बिताना किसके साथ? With someone, कोई who cannot speak, जो बातें नहीं कर सकता, उसके साथ समय बिताना, उसके साथ बैठना. Is it good or bad, children? It is very good, very good, है ना. नॉर्मली लोग क्या करते हैं, जो लोग बात करते हैं उनके साथ नहीं बैठते, जो लोग बातें नहीं कर सकते, like that, you know. Yes. So, who's going to sit? कौन इसके साथ बैठेगा, बोर हो जाएंगे हम लोग. But the children who are very thoughtful, जो बच्चे बहुत ही समझदार बच्चे हैं, what they think, they go and sit and they make friendship with them. वो क्या करते हैं, जैसे अभी हमने कहा, where do you study or read? तो उसको समझ आने लगेगा. You will understand. Good. And जैसे दिखते हो तो you'll be so happy, isn't it? क्या है ये इशारा? Good morning. Yes, it is very good. अच्छी बात है कि जब कोई जो लोग बातें नहीं कर सकते हैं, those who are unable to speak, if you go and spend time with them, it's a very good habit. It's a very good thing. So this is really good. Okay. All right. Now, look at this portion, children. Now we have come to this cursive writing. Okay. Now see this. We have to practice. Okay. We have to practice in this. The classroom must be clean. Okay, so do like this. Okay, now let's write down. You have to practice it, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there. Okay, so let's write down. Okay, practice along with me, children. Like this. Just go this way. The touch both the lines. The classroom must touch all the lines, must be clean. क्लासरूम जो है साफ हो जाना चाहिए, साफ रखना चाहिए. Okay, so similarly, I want you all to write and practice. Once you start writing, see, when there's I or T in between, you should not lift up your hand. Like sit, because for example, I'm showing you like this. बहुत सारे बच्चे जो करते हैं मैं बताती हूँ. See, it's like this. Sit, S-I-T, sit. S I, they do like this, I, and then they write. ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay? It's not like that. First, you have to finish it. See, जब तक आप खत्म नहीं होता है, आपको उंगली हटाना नहीं है. ये चीज खत्म होने के बाद में then cut and then put the dot. Okay, children? Once you finish the whole word, then you put a cut to T or put the dot on I. Is it clear? Yes. So practice this line about 4 to 5 times here. Space is there. Write down, and then you'll get the speed. Okay. All right. And now here are some action pictures, children. Yeah, look at this. Describe the action. जो action दिखाई दे रहा है वो आपको बताना है. One has done for you. Okay, एक आपके लिखिए. What is this boy doing? He is crying. What work is going on? Crying. क्या काम हो रहा है? रोने का काम हो रहा है. So crying. What is this boy doing? He is watering. Let's write down watering. Watering. Okay. Next. What is this boy doing? He's crawling? Yes. I think it's a baby. Crawl कर रहा है, रेंग रहा है. Crawling. Crawling. Okay. On to the next one, children. Oh, what is this boy doing? Falling. गिर रहा है वो. Or what do we feel like? Is he swimming? Looks like he's swimming, but it doesn't look like swimming. Falling, I'm just writing falling. Okay? गिर रहा है. He's falling down. Falling. Next. What is this boy doing? Hiding. छुप रहा है, right? Hiding. Hiding. He's hiding behind the door. Okay. Next. What's going on here? Look at those two boys. Wrestling, है ना? They don't have their shirts, only trousers, right? Wrestling कर रहे हैं, कुश्ती कर रहे हैं. Let's write down. WRESTLING. Wrestling. They are wrestling. What is this boy doing? Writing? Yes. Writing. What is this cat doing? Cat is licking. You know, see the tongue is out. You can write down licking. L-I-C. चाट रही है. K-I-N-G. Licking. And here, flying. Yes. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. So children, we have seen the action words. Here are some of the action words, and they are called describing. They are describing the action. Action को describe कर रहा है. क्या चल रहा है इसके बारे में बता रहा है. Crying, watering, crawling, falling, hiding, wrestling, writing, licking, and flying. The words, the action words. Okay, these are the action words, and then we also saw the cursive writing, children. What else? And then we also saw how we should behave. What are the behavior that is good and that is bad? Okay, and especially we also saw the sign language, right, children? Some of the sign language we learned. Okay, and then we saw the question answers about Meena. Okay, he is my brother. A small passage we came across. We saw the opposite words. We made the opposite. हमने opposite word बनाया. कैसे बनाया? क्या add किया? Un, this, in, and in. Okay, and there was a small rhyme also. Okay, and we also saw some words. Okay, these are, what words are these, children? Rhyming words. Yes. Okay, weep, peep, sweep, peep. All are sounding same. Yes. So they are rhyming words. Okay. And what did you see? We saw the words that are used instead of noun, है ना? Noun के बदले में हमने कुछ word use किया है. And what are those words called? Pronoun. Okay, we saw pronoun also. Okay, and we saw some of the words that are in a relation, है ना? कुछ वर्ड्स जो हमारे रिलेशनशिप में हम उस वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं, such as sister, cousin, nephew, uncle, aunt, dad, mom. Okay, And we also saw, we came across the passage. So children, I want you all to go through the whole exercise, okay? And here I conclude. Do go through the whole thing once again. See you. Bye-bye.